I hear the train is coming, it's rolling down the bend, and I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when, but I'm stuck in Folsom Prison, and I keep dragging on. But the train kept rolling all down the St. When I was just a poor boy, my mama told me, son, always be a good boy, never play with guns. Well, shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. When I hear the train rolling, I hang my head and cry. Just this folks eating in a fancy dining car. They're probably drinking coffee and smoking a big cigar. Well, I know I hear it's coming, though it can be free. Well, people keeps moving, that's what starts to be. Free me from this prison where the railroad train must bind. Better move it all a little further down the line. Far from Folsom Prison is where I want to stay. And I'll have to take on some whistle, blow my blues away.